Hello and welcome to Tile TV. I'm your host, Michelle Russo. 3 NTCA Five-Star Contractors will participate in the Installation Design Showcase featuring tiny houses during Coverings 2018 at the Georgia World Congress Center in Atlanta, Georgia. The showcase will be located at booth 8804, Hall C. The Installation Design Showcase is a must-see at Coverings and will feature 3 tiny houses, each highlighting a different design aesthetic. NTCA Five-Star Contractors collaborating with the designers this year include J&R Tile of San Antonio, Texas, Visalia Tile of Visalia, California, and D.W. Sanders of Atlanta, Georgia. Aaron Albrecht, Chief Operations Officer at J&R Tile, says that they pride themselves in professionally executing design intent, and they are coming back to the showcase for the 2nd year in a row with a highly skilled, educated, and trained staff that shares the company vision and core values. Sam Bruce, the president of Visalia Tile, who is also participating in the showcase for the 2nd year in a row, says they enjoy being part of a project that features all the aspects of the tile industry, showing how a project slides from the design phase to the actual installation. Visalia Tile uses the showcase to reward hardworking professional installers with the experience of being on the stage at the Covering show floor, creating a unique company bonding experience. Woody Sanders, founder of D.W. Sanders, who is participating in their first showcase right in their hometown of Atlanta, says the showcase offers the whole industry a witness to newly developed methods of installation and techniques now entering the market, sparking discussion to interface with peers of how the products will be used in their markets. NTCA Five-Star Contractor John Cox of San Antonio is the project manager for the Installation Design Showcase. Cox, whose company, Cox Tile, has participated in several showcases in the past, works with Coverings management, the design and installation teams, and the sponsors to coordinate this massive effort. We hope to see you at Coverings in Atlanta. Please stay tuned for more after this from our sponsor.
Ardex FlexBone, the most advanced uncoupling solutions. Grip lock technology provides maximum protection, and the unique FlexBone design fills easily in just one pass. Choose your solution. Ardex UI 720 FlexBone, the first unbonded uncoupling membrane for true 100% uncoupling. Or Ardex UI 740 FlexBone for the most demanding installations. And coming in 2018, Ardex FlexBone Heat. Visit www.ardexamericas.com for full details.
Welcome back. Our second story features NTCA Training Director Mark Heinlein helping installers with another useful tip in the segment, question mark.
Hi everyone, and welcome to this episode of Question Mark. If you've ever been to one of my NTCA workshops or regional training programs, you've seen me pull this device out of my kit. Now, you're probably saying, whatever, Mark, that's a carpenter's tool, and I ain't no hammer slinger. Well, you don't want to see me hammering any 16-penny nails either. But I use this tool so I can judge the correct angle that I'm holding my gauges at. That's right, all of these are gauges, and this carpenter's square has a 45-degree angle built right into it. That's the angle that I need to hold my gauges at to make sure that I'm getting the right amount of mortar coverage. This is the NTCA reference manual. On page 136 is a guide for selecting the right size and notch type of trowel for the type of tile and size of tile that we're setting. There are a whole different bunch of trowels available. Here's just a selection of a few of them. And they all need to be used at a 45-degree angle, just like that. We need to hold our trowels at a consistent 45-degree angle with the teeth pressed firmly down into the substrate. Of course, we need to make sure that we have a substrate that is nice and flat, clean, dry, not too dry, wet, not too wet. We need to have the right mortar. We need to install per manufacturer's instructions. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to take a look at your technique. I want you to take the trowel that you're using. Is it nice and new, just like this one? Or is it worn down? Is it getting the right amount of mortar on the substrate? Are you holding it at a consistent 45-degree angle? Test this out on your job site tomorrow morning. Here's a tip from me. Do this in private. Don't let anybody watch you try this. Don't let them laugh at you for trying to do the right thing. And take a look at your trowels. If they're worn down, this one's brand new, go ahead and buy some new ones. Maybe try some different gauges that you're not familiar with. Try some different notch types that might help get you great coverage for the tile you're setting. And remember, you need to not be afraid. Be brave, get out there, do a great job, and tune in next time to Question Mark.
Thanks for watching this episode of Tile TV. We'll be back soon, so stay tuned.